Good morning, students. So I hope my voice is audible to you. So today in this session, I'm going to take closer properties of regular language. Okay. So before get into the actual session topic, let me solve one more pumping lemma problem. Okay. So one more pumping lemma problem. So I'm just getting move into my full screen mode. Okay. This is the problem. Show that the language L equal a I square, okay, where I greater than or equal to 1 is not regular. Okay, so this is the one more pumping lemma problem. The solution. So the as usual step. The first point. This assumption. Okay, so pumping lemma. Since pumping lemma follow the concept of contradiction, the first assumption is the given language is regular. Okay, so the given
Ma,
language is regular.
excuse me,
Ah,
ma,
ah,
are you
சொல்லுப்பா.
presenting, ma?
Yes, it is not audible.
No, ma'am, the screen is not visible, ma.
Oh, okay. Now it is okay. Wait a minute.
Gayatri,
Okay.
Screen is visible now.
can you zoom it?
Visible now.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. So the first assumption, let L is a regular language. Okay, so I'm directly going to write the language L here. L. First, I just apply I equal to 1. Okay, so for I equal to 1 means 1 square. 1 square means 1. So simple A. Okay. Second, I'm going to apply I equal to 2. So I equal to 2 means 2 square 4. A to the power 4. Okay. And third, I equal to 3. So 3 square 9. Okay. Next, 4 square 16. Okay, this is also infinite language. This is the language of the given problem. Okay. Next, the first statement, assume that the given language is regular. The second one, take a pumping length. Okay, so as usual, I'm taking the pumping length P equal to 4. Okay, so since P equal to 4, all the strings in L having length greater than or equal to 4 can be pumped. This is our assumption. So all the strings in L greater than or equal to 4 can be pumped. So let me take one of the string yes. So since pumping length is equal to, I will choose a power 4. Okay. So what is a power 4? A should be written as 4 times. This is a power 4. Okay, this is the string I'm going to pump. Okay, so the next step I'm going to pump the string. So pump the string means what? So the string is divided into x, y, z part. Okay, so x, y, z part. So I'm taking the string here, a, one more time. This is the case 1. This is case 1. I'm choosing s, x first. Okay, first a as x. Okay, this is x and next two numbers A's are Y. The last one is Z. Okay. So what is the next step? X y square. Okay, x y I'm taking here 2, since I'm taking the same thing I equal to 2. So both P and I, both are your complete your the user assumption. Then x y square is Z. So what is the value of x? X means a. So what is the value of y square? So 2 times I have to return y. So for one time y, 2a. So one more time another 2a. So the last is Z. Okay. So how many times the a is appeared here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A power 6. Whether it is belongs to the given language a power 6. See here whether it is belongs to given language a power 6. No.
No.
Yes. So no. This belongs to the given language. The first condition is almost failed, right? The first condition is failed. So what about the second condition? Length of xy. So what is length of xy? X equal to 1, y equal to 2. 2 is almost less than or equal to 4 only. Second condition is true. And the third condition, length of y, which is equal to 2. 2 is greater than 0. Second condition, third condition is also true. But only one condition is failed here. Okay, but at the same time, the three conditions should be satisfied at the same time. That's the matter here. Okay, but here two conditions are uh, passed and one condition is failed almost. Okay, so this is the for case 1. So next the case 2 means, and the case 2, it is also as per the user assumption. Okay, so 4 times a. So I'm going to divide first two part as x. This is y and this is z. Okay, so next same thing, x y square is z, x y square is z. So x, which is 2 times a, so y 1 time a, so y square 2 times z. So how many times the number of appeared a here? 5 times, 8 power 5. Okay, this is also not becoming the given language L. So first condition almost failed. So what about the second condition? Length of xy equal to here 3. So 3 less than or equal to 4 only. Second condition almost true. Third condition, length of y, which is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. This is also true, but the first condition is becoming false. Okay, so none of these can satisfy all the three pumping conditions at the same time. So thus the given language is not regular. Okay, so this is the pumping lemma problem, my last pumping lemma problem. Okay, next I'm going to have take closure properties of regular language. Okay, closure properties of regular language. Almost this is visible to you. No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Closure properties of regular language. Okay. First, property number 1. Okay. First, property number 1, which means the union of two regular set is regular. The union of two regular language is regular. This is the property number 1. Two regular set or the union of two regular languages regular. First, I'm just I'm going to take first regular expression, which is equal, okay, A, then AA closer, okay, A, then AA closer. Can anyone tell me actually what's the problem statement of this regular expression? Actually, what it represents actually, this regular expression. A, then AA whole closer, whole star. First, if you want to know the problem statement or what that regular expression exactly represents means, you have to first write the language. First, you have to write the language of the given regular expression and find the problem statement, which is hidden itself. This regular expression which represents what? First, write the language of this regular expression L1. Okay, language of the given regular expression L1. It starts with what? It starts with, I'm asking you guys.
A, ma.
Yes, it starts with A. Y means if I am AA closer means it starts with epsilon. Okay, if I put epsilon here means A concatenation with epsilon, which brings A only, right? So next A starting with A. Then what is this part actually? The combinations of AA, the combinations of AA. Okay, prefix with A. So A combination of A. So A starting with, sorry, so 2 times A, which means totally 5 times. Okay. What is this? Actually, what is this? A, 3 times A, 5 times A, next.
A
7
power I,
times
where
A.
I is an odd number.
Odd number of A's. Simply you have to, right? This is the actually regular expression of odd number of A's. Okay, good. Odd number of A's. Next, regular expression 2. For the regular expression, sorry, can take only A closer. Okay. So what is the language here? Again, the language starting with epsilon, since this is the closer, all combinations of double A, right? AA, then 4 times A, there should be up here 2 times A. Okay, all the combination of 2 A's, then 6 times A. Okay. So what is this? Actually, what is this? Yes, even, Vignesh, even. Yes, this is actually even number of A's. Okay, it may be useful for your 2 mark. If they are asking, write the regular expression for the even number of A's or even number of ones or even number of zeros. Okay, even number of A's. Okay, so for proving the union of two regular set is regular, first I'm taking regular expression 1, A closer, regular expression 2, A closer. Okay. Next, I'm going to write union of these two. That is L1 union L2. Okay, L1 union L2. So L1 union L2 means how should I write first? So union of L1 and L2. First, I will write epsilon since this is the least one epsilon. Then A. Then AA. Then here. Then 4 times A. then 5 times A, then 6 times A. Okay, so infinite 1. L1 union L2. This is the result. What is this?
A star.
Simple. A star. Okay, so this is A star, A closer. Okay, which is also regular expression, which is also a regular expression, right? This is also a regular expression. If I am making a union between these two regular expression, the result is also a regular expression. Okay, hence proved. Okay, hence union of two regular expression is regular expression only. Hence proved. Okay, next property number 2. Property 2, which is the intersection of two regular set is regular. Okay, the intersection of two regular set is regular. Okay. For this, I'm taking regular expression 1, which is equal to A, then A closer. Okay, A closer. For regular expression 2, so I'm taking A closer, A whole closer. Okay. So first, what is the language of this first one? So what's the language of first one? Starting with A only, right? If A closer I'm putting, epsilon means starting only A, then A combination. Okay. Joining with a single A. So A for one time A. So A, then 2 times A. Okay. Then A, then 3 times A. Okay. So A closer joining with A. Okay. So A, then 4 times A. Okay. This is. So L2. L2 means A closer. Okay. So A closer means which is even number of A's, right? The same thing. So starting with epsilon, double A combination, 2 times A, then 4 times A, then 6 times A. Okay. So infinite 1. Okay. So the first one, what I should write for the L1. So what it represents based on the identities of regular expression. What I should put here, a simplest one. Just for whether you know about somewhat about identities of regular expression. What I should replace for the L1. So L1 starting with A, so excluding epsilon, all A's are here, right? So this is the one. Excluding epsilon, all A's are here. If you are including epsilon means this is A closer, okay? But it is append with A, right? So which represents what? The previous class session only, I have told you one of the identities of regular expression. R closer. What is the result? R closer. Yes, A plus, right? R closer, R plus. Yes, right. So this is actually A plus. You have to rewritten as A plus. Okay. So next I'm going to make intersection, since the property number 2 is intersection. So L1 intersection with L2. Okay. So the common things, intersection means the common things. So AA, which is common one, right? So I have written AA. So 4 times A, which is also common. Okay. Next, if I'm adding Next, 6 times A, right? 6 times A, which is also common. Since in the first language one, 6 times A is also appeared here. So this is the common strings between these two, L1 and L2. So if I'm going to take regular expression, okay, regular expression of L1 union L2, which means, okay, what is this actually? How can I rewrite this regular expression for this language? Actually, A, then A closer. This is the regular expression for this language. So if I write language for this regular expression means for A closer, if I put epsilon here means starting with A. Then all combinations of A append with AA, right? A. All combinations of AA append with AA. Okay. So this is the regular expression of this intersection. Okay. So it is also regular. It is also regular. It is also regular, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Proved means what? The intersection of two regular set is regular. Okay. Next, property number 3. Property number 3. It means the complement of regular expression is regular. Complement of regular expression or regular set is regular. First, I'm taking a regular expression A closer. Okay, A closer. So the language of the given regular expression starting with epsilon, all combination of AA, right? All combination of AA. So this is the language of the given regular expression, all combination of AA. Okay. So complement, I'll dash. Okay. So complement means what I should write starting with anyone? Complement of the given language, which means
Opposite.
opposite. That is A, which means here A is not included here, right? So only epsilon AA. Only epsilon AA. Okay. So here A is not included in this language. So I have written as A. And 3 A's is 3A. 3 A's are not included in the given language. So I have written 3A. Then 5 A's are not included. So I have written 5 A's. Okay. So this is the complement. Okay. This is the way of how to take the complement of the given regular language. Okay. So what is the regular expression of this language? Next, I'm going to write the regular expression of this language. Okay. So what is the regular expression of this language? Can I write A? Okay. Then all the combination of double A. Okay. Is true or false? Shall I write here? Is it right one? Just post in the chat box. Which is true or false?
Correct, ma'am.
Yeah, it's right one. Right only. Yes, this is right. Okay. If I'm going to take a language means closer means epsilon. So starting with A. Okay. So all combination of double A upon with single A. Okay. So this language actually this is the right one. So this is also regular. Okay. This is also regular. So this is actually what the odd number of A's, right? So this is odd number of A's. Okay. Odd number of A's. This is also regular. Hence, proved. The complement of regular set is regular. Okay. The property number 3 is also proved. Next, property number 4. Property number 4. The difference of two regular set is regular. Okay. Difference. As for this property, I am taking regular expression 1 as A, then A closer. Okay. Next, regular expression 2 as A closer. So L1. So what is L1? A. This is actually A plus, right? So all combination of A except epsilon. Okay. Next, L2. So L2 epsilon A all combination of WA, right? This is even number of A's, right? Next, I'm going to take difference L1 minus L2. Okay. L1 minus L2. What is L1 minus L2? Any guess? So actually, first I'm choosing L1. Okay. So taking L1. So in L1, see AA. Okay. Here, that is AA. AA is appeared in L2. Okay. Then also 4 number of A's, which is also appeared in L2. Okay. So yeah, so one important point L1 minus L2, which is okay. And also you can take L2 minus L1. It will give different answer. Both are a different one. So I'm taking here L1 minus L2. So since L1 minus L2, first I'm consider L1. So in L1, that AA is appeared in L2, and 4 times of A is also appeared in L2. Then if it is 6 times means 6 times is also appeared in L2. Okay, what are all not appeared in L2 from L1 actually A. Okay, A which is not appeared in L2. So I have written A here, and 3 times A which is also not appeared in L2. So I have written 3 times A. And 5 times, if it is I include 5 times A means 5 times A which is not appeared in L2. So 5 times A. Okay, this is the way of calculating L1 minus L2. Okay, so L1 minus L2 means first you have to put freeze on the language L1. Okay, so in L1 AA and 4 combination of A, 6 combinations of A, these strings are appeared in L2. So neglect these strings. What are the strings not appeared in L2? A, 3 combination of A, 5 combination of A. These strings are not appeared in L2. Okay, so L1 minus L2. So this is the result of L1 minus L2. Okay, so what is the regular expression of this? What is the regular expression? Actually, A upon with double A, right? Double A closer. If I am putting epsilon for AA means A, then A double A combination. So A double A combination. Okay, so this is the regular language of, this is the actually regular expression of the difference between L1 minus L2. This is also regular, hence proved. So it is proved the difference of two regular set is also regular. Okay, so property number 4 is over. Next, property number 5. Property number 5 is the reverse of regular set is regular. Okay, one of the easiest one to show the reverse. Reverse of regular set is also regular. For going to prove this, I'm going to take let L equal directly language L equal 0 1 comma 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so I'm going to take the language L. Then what is the regular expression of this language? Since this is the finite language, okay, this is not a infinite one, this is the finite one. Okay, so choosing the finite one is the easiest way to show the reverse of the regular set is regular finite one. So what is the regular expression of this given language? Okay, just concatenation. If 0 comma 1 means what you should write? 0 plus 1, right? The same way 0 1 plus 1 0 plus 1 1 plus 0 0. So this is the regular expression of the given language. So I'm going to apply L reverse. So L reverse means, okay, so for L reverse means 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0. Okay, because here sigma is 0 comma 1 only. Okay, so 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1, 0 0 1 1. Okay, so what is the regular expression? What is the regular expression of the given language? L power reverse the same. Sorry, 1 0 plus 0 1 plus 0 0 plus 1 1. Okay, so both are equal same. Okay, both are almost same. The order is only changed, but the both are almost the same. So which is also a regular, which is also the regular, hence proved. The reverse of the regular set is also regular. Okay, hence proved. Property number 5 is over. Next, property number 6. Property number 6, the closure of the regular set is regular. This is also easiest one. The closure of regular set is also regular. For proving this, I'm going to take one of the language, which is regular expression. Okay. So I'm going to take one regular expression, which is A closer, a very simple one, A closer. Okay, so what is the language of the given regular expression? It is starting with epsilon, then all combination of A, right? All combination of A. So I'm going to take closer on this again, the L closer. Okay, so L closer, which is what? Closer on this closer. Okay, so what is the output of this? Close again. If I'm taking again closer means what? The same thing is repeated. Okay, epsilon A, all combination of A. Okay, the same thing is also repeated. This is the closure, the beauty of closure. This is the result is also irregular. Okay, the result is also the same one, regular. Hence, proved. So what is proved? The closure of the regular set is also regular. Okay. Next, property number 7. Property number 7. The concatenation of two regular set is regular. The concatenation of two regular it is also regular. The concatenation. First, the regular expression. I'm going to the regular expression 1. That is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 closer 0. This is the regular expression. Next, regular expression 2. Regular expression 2. 0, 1. 0 plus 1 closer. Okay. So, what is the language of first regular expression? So, which means all combination of 0, comma 1, that is 0 plus 1 whole closer, which means 0 closer, 1 closer, and all combination of 0, 1 closer. Okay. All combination of 0, all combination of 1, all combination of 0 and 1. But if I'm taking epsilon means epsilon concatenation with 0, which brings 0 only. So minimal string, which is 0 only. Okay. 0. Then I can write 0, 0. Okay. If I'm taking 0 means 0, 0. So 1 means 1, 0. Okay. So 0 combination 0, 0 append with 1, 0. So 1 combination 1 means 1, 1, 0. 0, 1 combination. So 0, 1 append with 1, 0. Okay, so infinite language. What is the regular expression of? What is the language of regular expression 2? Same thing. So append with 0, 1. Okay, so the minimal string which is 0, 1. 0, 1. Then 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so minimal string. So this is the minimal one. If I'm putting epsilon for 0 plus 1 closer, then 0, 1. So 0, 1, this is the example for 0 combination. 0, 1, this is the example of 1 combinations. 0, 1 and 0, 1. 0, 1 is the example of 0, 1 combination. Okay, that is why I'm taking like this. Now I'm going to take L1 dot L2. Okay, L1 dot L2. So L1, I'm taking first 0. 0 concatenation with 0, 1. That is 0, 0, 1. Okay. 0 concatenation with 0, 1, 0. That is 0, 0, 1, 0. 0 concatenation with 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0 concatenation with 0, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So next I will take, this is also infinite one. Next I will take 0, 0 combination means, so 0, 0, first one 0, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is also infinite one. Next, what is the regular expression of this one? Regular expression of L1 concatenation with L2. Okay, so what is the regular expression? Say anyone? Regular expression. At least post an answer here. Since 0, 0, 1. Okay. Here also 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. In between 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Okay. So what is the answer? 0, 0, 1. It is almost present in the all the strings. In prior, all the combination of 0 plus 1 whole closer. Okay. So now after all the combination of 0 plus 1 whole closure. Okay. So this is the regular expression for the given answer. Okay, this is also regular, hence proved. So what is proved? The concatenation of two regular set is also regular. Okay, and one more thing, the last one, homomorphism. Almost property number 8. Homomorphism. Homomorphism, which means if the given input sigma, if I'm taking the given input sigma, okay, sigma means I'm going to convert this sigma into somewhere else. So gamma closure, okay. For example, in gamma closure inner textbook, they have represented as H for homomorphism. Okay, so which means if I'm taking the given input, I'm taking 0, 1 means, okay, so you are going to alter this 0, 1 into another one input, which means I'm sigma star a comma b. Okay, so here 0, 1 combination means I'm going here. This is AB combination, which is also the easiest one. AB combination. Okay, so this is also one of the property. This property is called homomorphism. Okay, so this property is called homomorphism. Okay, so the given input string is converted into some other string. Okay, so R, which is also called H, some other string, or gamma star. Okay, based on the textbook, they have given a different name. So this is also one of the property. So for example, this is the way of writing H of L equal to H of W, W which is set of strings where W is in the language L. Okay. So for example, I'm going to take H of 0 equal to AB, which means for B is replaced by AB, and H of 1 which is equal to epsilon. Okay, so the given string, I'm taking the one of the string W equal to 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so what is H of W? Okay, 0 is replaced by AB, 0 is replaced by AB, 1 is replaced by epsilon, 1 is also replaced by epsilon. So what is the result? Your result is AB, AB. Okay, this is the after applying the homomorphism. This is the result. Okay, so this is also one of the property. Okay, and the inverse homomorphism is also possible. Okay, so inverse means this is also possible. Okay, so these are all the properties of regular languages. The first one, the union of two regular set is regular. Then second property, the intersection of two regular set is regular. The complement of regular set is regular. Then the difference of two regular set is regular. Then reverse of a regular set is regular. The closure of a regular set is regular. The concatenation of two regular set is regular. Then homomorphism as well as inverse homomorphism. Both are the closure property of the regular language. Okay. Okay. So any other doubt?